So these babies are coming out of the box with me today. Oh, hello, beautiful. So pretty. Happy feet today. Woohoo! And I'm also gonna wear these babies for the first time. Yay! Look at these. So cool. I love them. I love the pearly detail. Is it focusing? So beautiful. Yes. Hello everyone. I'm waiting for my taxi, for my Uber or whatever you call it. I know some of you mentioned in the comments that I'm not saying it right, but it's like tomato is like the same thing. So I'm waiting for my taxi and I'm on my way to get a facial. I'm traveling in a couple of days and I want to pamper myself. I've had a very stressful 2 weeks, so I need to get some facial. I'm getting my lashes done, some treatments, beauty treatments. So yeah, going to South Kensington. Hi, I'm going to South Kensington. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to South Kensington to get that facial and I'll vlog the whole procedure. I'm excited to get that little treatment done and then I'll take you with me to get my lashes. I'm getting lash extensions for the first time, so that will be quite exciting. And after that we might pop into Harrods and pick up something for my trip. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so I'm in South Kensington. The taxi just dropped me off and I'm actually very early. I'm 40 minutes early. So I'm gonna go find the clinic and wait. I'm not sure if I can go in earlier, so I might have to wait. But I was planning to go by train and then I couldn't be bothered. I decided to take a taxi because I hate the tube. So I didn't know it would be that quick. I didn't really check. I thought there might be traffic, but there wasn't. So I think the clinic should be somewhere here. I'm gonna go find it and wait for my appointment. But by the way, did you guys notice I'm wearing a headband? Like, who am I? I said in my previous videos that I'm not a fan of headbands, but oh well. Alright, I'll speak to you in a bit when I find the clinic.
So we need to start with cleansing. We need to take off all the makeup and we usually will do double cleansing because with the first time we take all the makeup and London dirt. With the second cleanse we can go deeper into the pores and we can clean the skin efficiently.
Alright everyone, so I'm on my way to get my lashes done. I'm running very late. I feel amazing after my facial. The good thing about this facial is that you can apply your makeup straight after the procedure. So my skin is very glowy and it feels really nice. I will see how it will feel tomorrow. They told me tomorrow it will be even more glowy and beautiful. So I can't wait to get home, remove all the makeup again and apply some nice creams. So yeah, I am on my way to get my lashes done. I'm running about 20 minutes late, so hopefully I can still get my lashes done. And yeah, I'll speak to you when I get there because I'm a bit stressed out, so yeah. Okay, so I managed to reach the salon and I'm a bit more relaxed now that I spoke to someone. I'll be about 10-15 minutes late, but let me tell you where I'm going. I'm going to get my lash extensions. I've never had lash extensions before and I'm going to get them done with Dexita at the Arthington Cox Salon. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but everything will be linked down in the description box. If you're interested, you can check it out. And I'll be getting the Russian lashes, so a very nice full fluffy lashes. Very exciting, first time getting my lash extensions, so yay. Alright, so I think I found a salon. Let's see if it's this one. Okay, so this is a before and we'll see the after. I'm just preparing my lashes. Okay. And we are done, like completely done. Alright, so my lashes are done. This is the lovely Dexita. She did my lashes.
Hiya.
Hi. She's lovely, guys. I felt so relaxed. I almost fell asleep. And look at the lashes, they're awesome. She used the Russian lash.
Yes.
And we did shorter, longer,
And much more longer.
longer at the end because I like that look. Yeah.
Yes.
I love them. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Oh my god, guys, look at my lashes. I'm obsessed with them. They look so good. Alright, so I'm gonna hide behind my glasses now because I don't really have that much makeup on. Although I really don't want to hide the beautiful lashes, but I don't have any brow product. And I actually spoke to Dexita. I'll leave all her details down below. I spoke to her and she is also doing microblading, and I had a quick look at her before and after pictures and it looks really nice, so I'm definitely interested to get my brows done next with her. She said I don't really need a full microblading, just like filling in the gaps, so I'll definitely consider doing that next. And now I'm really starving and I need coffee badly. I almost fell asleep. It was so relaxing. Oh, by the way, interesting fact, she is the fastest one in the UK, or like in London, doing the lashes. She did it in an hour, maybe even less than an hour. I don't know how she did it, but normally it takes like 3 hours to get your lashes done, and she did it in an hour, which is awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab coffee now and something to eat. I see Paul opposite there across the road, so I'm gonna go and grab a coffee because I need one desperately, and after that I'm going to Harrods. Alright, coffee time. Oh yum, I'm very hungry, so I might grab something to eat as well. Alright, so I'm quickly grabbing bites. I ordered a nice latte. This will be my breakfast, first meal of the day. I haven't eaten anything, and I got something chocolatey as well. So I'm gonna have that quickly and then head to Harrods. Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Dina.
I love a backpack. Yeah, I think so.
Because you got very occupied hands.
I know.
Can you confirm your name for me, please?
Maria.
I'm beginning to darling.
Harrods. We're almost there, aren't we?
Yeah.
I'm almost there. I feel that today I've been in cars most of the day, from one taxi to another taxi.
Have
But
you?
but I'm very close to Harrods now, so I'll take you shopping with me. I'll pick up some stuff for my trip and I'll show you all the new things around. I'm a bit tired. I'm getting a bit tired, but hopefully this coffee will save me. So yeah. It is so cool
It
that
is,
the roof
indeed,
is
yeah.
open. You can see everything, especially now that the weather is nice.
Yes.
Alright, so we're here, my favorite place in the world. It's not looking that pretty because it's under construction, as you can see. Okay, so I'm in Harrods and I'm gonna go to the men's section. You will see why in a bit. And try on a pair of joggers. You might know which ones. They moved men's on the second floor and I've been already once and it looks really cool. So I'll show you when I get there. So I have men's super brands. Let me see, where was Gucci? I think it was this way, if I'm not wrong. But like, they renovated this whole area. How cool does it look? Amazing. So yeah, let's find Gucci. I think I can see it around the corner. Alright, so I finally found my joggers in the Harrods. I'll try extra small and small. And there are 2 t-shirts here that I'm gonna try them with because I'm wearing a dress. Okay, I'm going back downstairs to have a look around. I didn't buy the joggers. I'm still not 100% sure, maybe I'm not used to wearing joggers. But I'll have a look around, see if I can find something else instead. If not, I'm gonna buy the joggers, but I'll go have a look around first.
You get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. I'll let you get to me once now, baby, but I'll never let you in again. I'll let you get to me, I'll let you get to me, get to me. I'll let you get to me, I'll let you get to me, get to me. I'll let you get to me, I'll let you get to me, get to me. I'll let you get to me, I'll let you get to me, get to me.
Alright, so no luck so far. The Jadio number 8 t-shirt, they only had it in a large and I wanted a medium, but it's a permanent one, so whenever they receive it they'll just message me. And yeah, I think I don't really have any other option apart from the jogger. I think I might go have a look at the suitcases at Louis Vuitton as well and decide what to do. Okay, let's go have a look at the luggage. Oh wow guys, look at some of the exotics. Croc. I'm not a fan of exotic skins, but I know some of you are. Look at these candles from Louis Vuitton, they smell amazing and they look really cute, I love them. Okay, so they have the new soft suitcases, but I'm interested in this one. Oh, this is so beautiful guys, what do you think? Look guys, Saint Laurent has a Birkin bag. How funny. So I'm looking for something for traveling, and I thought, what about a cardigan? And I found this one, and it's not even that expensive. Where's the price? 850. So I'll try that on now. Alright everyone, I'll quickly show you my outfit in this mirror that I always use for my outfits. So I'm wearing a headband. Yep, I'm wearing a headband. I know they weren't my favorite, but I found the perfect one and it's from H&M. I'll link it down below. It's so sparkly and matches my bag. These sunglasses, I got so many compliments today from a company called For Art's Sake. And your earrings, denim jacket is old one from Zara, Zara dress, it's current, my new Jadio shoes, and my baby. Right guys, I'm on my way home. I finished shopping and I'm also getting really good at asking strangers to take pictures of me. I went to Harrods because they have this beautiful display. I'll insert a picture here with this beautiful shell with flowers. It's awesome. I saw it last week when I came to Harrods and I really wanted to take a picture, and I thought my outfit today would work, and because the picture is from far away you wouldn't be able to see that I'm not wearing makeup and that I don't have eyebrows. So I asked strangers to take pictures of me and they did a really good job. So I'm really happy. I had a very successful day. Can't wait to show you what I picked up. It's not what I initially wanted, but I love this so much. So I went today's vlog here. I was planning to film a how I pack as well. I'm not sure if I'll include it with this video, if I'll have time to film it at all, but if I have time I'll probably include it together with this video because this is like a get ready with me for my trip, so I can show you what I pack and how I pack things. I didn't end up buying the Louis Vuitton suitcase. I still really want it though, it's so beautiful. So I still have a couple of days before I go if I decide. Who knows, but we'll see. So yeah, I'll see if I'll include that footage with the packing and all that. If not, that's it for this vlog. I didn't have time to film packing and all that, but I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon.